Okay guys, so I'm going to be making a garden omelette. So I'm picking some pak choy from my garden, picking some sweet basil, I'm also going to be picking some dill as well. Just a small piece. Of course, let's get some sun-ripened tomato to add to this omelette. Alright, so we're going to be adding tomato as well to our omelette. Now, I'm just using 2 egg yolks for my garden omelette because I'm sensitive to the egg whites. So in that bowl I have 2 egg yolks, and now I'm putting the tomato and the herbs in. We're also going to use 1 garlic and some red bell pepper as well, and a little piece of onion to add to our garden omelette. Alright, so we're also going to add some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoned blend, and of course we want to add salt to taste. It's so nice to be able to go out in your garden and pick what you need to come inside and cook. It's really the true meaning of, we can say, from garden to plate. I really love that. I really love the ability to go outside and pick what I need and come inside and cook with it. It's also a nice feeling knowing that your food, that you know where your food came from, and that you know it wasn't sprayed with any pesticides and so forth that is both harmful for us as humans and for the soil as well.